Imagine this. You've got a burning desire to achieve financial independence. You're scrolling online, looking for answers. And there they are. A shiny online course promising to change your life. Or a sleek ebook claiming to be your ticket to success. Which one do you choose? Or, what if choosing wrong costs you valuable time, money, and energy? In today's video, we're diving deep into online courses versus ebooks, uncovering 25 powerful numbers to help you make the smarter choice for your financial and personal growth. Buckle up, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what aligns with your goals and what doesn't. Ready? Let's begin. The global market for online courses and ebooks is projected to experience significant growth by 2025. Here's a detailed overview of the expected market share for both sectors. Online courses market. Forecasted to reach $341.72 billion by 2025, up from $313.43 billion in 2024, growing at an annual rate of 15.75%. MOOCs. Expected to grow from $22.5 billion in 2024 to $30.07 billion in 2025, with a compound annual growth rate of 33.6%. Increasing internet penetration, rising demand for skill development, and collaborations with educational institutions. Ebooks market. Part of the broader e-learning segment is projected to grow from $142 billion in 2018 to around $342 billion by 2025. Specific ebook data is less detailed but remains a vital part of the digital learning landscape. In conclusion, both online courses and ebooks are poised for remarkable growth, with online courses leading the way in market value and expansion rates. The real challenge comes when you hit a roadblock. Who do you turn to? Stay tuned for the answer. Number 1. Guided learning versus self-guided maps. Online courses offer structured learning paths. They're like GPS for your goals. For example, platforms like Coursera or Udemy provide courses with modules that guide you step by step. Ebooks, on the other hand, are more like maps, useful, but leave you figuring out the routes. A self-help ebook from Amazon might inspire you, but it's up to you to piece the information together. Number 2. Learning together versus learning alone. Most online courses include community access, creating an environment to learn from peers. For instance, platforms like Skillshare allow discussions and project sharing. Ebooks, a solo journey. Unless it's a bestseller with a vibrant online community like Atomic Habits, you're left to your own devices. Quick question. When was the last time you actually finished an ebook? Exactly. Number 3. Real-time mentorship. Online courses often come with real-time mentorship. Imagine asking questions and getting answers in the moment. Think masterclass, where industry leaders provide insights. Ebooks? You'll be Googling for clarification instead. Number 4. Depth of knowledge. Let's talk about depth. Courses usually go deep, covering a subject extensively. For example, the Complete Web Developer Bootcamp on Udemy covers everything from coding basics to advanced projects. Ebooks, like a quick guide to HTML, give an overview. Great for quick understanding, but will that be enough? But wait, let's not write ebooks off just yet. Number 5. Cost and convenience. Ebooks are highly portable and affordable. You could have an entire library in your pocket for less than the cost of one premium course. For instance, Kindle Unlimited offers thousands of ebooks for a flat monthly fee. Tempting, isn't it? But affordability comes with a trade-off. Stick around to find out what that is. Number 6. Retention and engagement. Let's talk retention. Studies show people retain more from interactive experiences like courses. Platforms like Codecademy have interactive exercises that reinforce concepts. With ebooks, it's easy to skim and forget. Number 7. Flexibility of ebooks. But ebooks shine in convenience. Read at your own pace, on your own time. No schedule, no pressure. For instance, downloading a financial guide like The Millionaire Next Door lets you learn during commutes or breaks. Unless you're one of those people who buy books just to never read them. Guilty? Same. Number 8. Hands-on practice online courses often include practical assignments. You're not just learning, you're doing. For example, HubSpot Academy's marketing courses include quizzes and tasks. Ebooks? Usually, all theory is without interactive elements. Number 9. Quick answers versus deep skills. Want quick answers? Ebooks are faster to consume. Need deep skills? Courses take the win. What's your priority? For instance, How to Win Friends and Influence People is a fast read, while a public speaking course on Toastmasters provides hands-on practice. But wait, are courses worth their hefty price tags? Let's find out. Number 10. Longevity of access courses typically come with lifetime access or at least long-term availability. Think LinkedIn Learning's course library. Ebooks? They're yours forever too, but without updates or added resources. And speaking of updates, let's explore something most people overlook. Number 11. Staying relevant. Many online courses provide regular updates to stay relevant. For instance, SEO courses on platforms like Ahrefs or SEMrush update modules as search engine algorithms evolve. Ebooks? Unless the author revisits, they're frozen in time. Number 12. Learning on the go. Ever tried multitasking with an ebook? Not easy. But many courses offer audio formats, letting you learn on the go. For instance, Audible's Great Courses series combines lectures with audio convenience. Number 13. Offline reliability. Ebooks can be revisited endlessly without requiring an internet connection. Simple, reliable, but sometimes too basic. Number 14. Accountability and motivation. With courses, there's accountability. Deadlines, modules, and peer pressure keep you on track. For example, Khan Academy uses progress tracking to motivate learners. Ebooks? It's all on you. Number 15. Step-by-step growth courses are usually designed with progressive difficulty. For instance, DataCamp's Python courses start with basics and advance gradually. Ebooks? It's like drinking from a fire hose of information without guidance. Number 16. Certifications and credibility. Some courses include certificates. A bonus if you're building a professional portfolio. Think Google's Coursera certifications. Can an ebook offer the same? Imagine applying for a job with an ebook citation. That'd be interesting. Number 17. Value for money. Cost often feels like the biggest barrier to courses. But ask yourself, how much is life-changing knowledge worth? For example, a course like Tony Robbins' Ultimate Edge is pricey but transformative for many. Number 18. Ideal for beginners. Ebooks make for a great intro to new subjects. For instance, Rich Dad, Poor Dad is an excellent starting point for financial literacy. But if you're serious about mastery, a course like Dave Ramsey's Financial Peace University may be your best bet. Still torn? Let's break it down even further. Number 19. Catering to learning styles. Online courses tend to address diverse learning styles: visual, auditory, and hands-on. For example, Coursera videos, transcripts, and quizzes cater to multiple preferences. Ebooks primarily cater to readers. Number 20. Networking opportunities. Group interaction in courses fosters real-world networking. Platforms like Teachable allow course creators to build communities. With ebooks, you're flying solo again. Number 21. Short-term versus long-term ROI. Are you investing in your future or looking for quick wins? Courses often offer a long-term ROI. Ebooks, short-term gains. For instance, a graphic design course on Canva's platform teaches skills that can be monetized. An ebook might inspire, but limited action steps. But it's not just about now, it's about where you're headed. Number 22. Building discipline. Courses require commitment and discipline, but they build those muscles over time. For instance, Duolingo's structured language courses help you develop a daily habit. Ebooks? Low barrier, low commitment. Number 23. Premium value. Ever heard the saying, you get what you pay for? Premium courses often deliver premium value. For example, Fiverr Learn courses are tailored to boost freelancing skills. Cheap ebooks? Not always a guarantee. Unless, of course, You enjoy those 60-page ebooks that end up being 40 pages of ads. Sound familiar? Number 24. Right tool for the right job. Ultimately, ebooks and courses serve different purposes. Recognizing when to use each is where the magic happens. For instance, use an ebook for basic investing knowledge and an advanced course for stock market mastery. And the final number? It's the one that ties it all together. Number 25. Action is the true investment. The best investment isn't in the tool, but in your willingness to act. Whether you choose an online course like Udacity's Data Science Nano Degree or an ebook like The Lean Startup, commitment is the real game changer. Now that you've unlocked the secrets of choosing between online courses and ebooks, what's next? Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, because every decision you make brings you closer to the life you deserve. Let's make it happen together.